Hi, everyone, good day. Today, my job is to introduce the ATEX explosion-proof light fixture to you. Centurion had a few different models in this series. They are EX-109L, EX-209L, EX-116L, EX-216L, EX-209L-EB, and EX-216L-EB. The EB means the light fixture with the emergency backup battery. Those are ATEX directive certified for the safe use in zones 1 and 2, potentially explosive gas atmospheres, and zones 21 and 22 potentially explosive dust atmospheres. Diffuser, recognized high-impact polycarbonate. Body aluminum die casting. Finish body, yellow epoxy powder coat and stove enameled. Let's see the video. Go! This video will show you the EX-209L and EX-216L. The outlooking is the same for the EX-209L and EX-209L-EB. In regular mode, their light effect is the same, but, when the power goes out, the EX-209L-EB emergency backup battery can provide more than 120 minutes of backup illumination during a power outage. This one is EX-216L. EX-216L-EB, same as EX-209L-EB, can provide more than 120 minutes of backup power. Please note that emergency mode will only light up one LED tube. Both models pass the emergency lighting test requirements. Emergency illuminates at 3 meters, more than 2 lux during an emergency. For more details about our LED light fixture, please visit our website. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.